Hello students, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will cover the top weekly current affairs from date 11th May to 17th May. This video is completely available in English language. If you are looking for the best 200 current affairs of April month, kindly check the link in the description below. Let's get into the video. First question, which Indian Coast Guard ship and two interceptor boats C-450 and C-451 have been commissioned by Rajnath Singh in Goa? So which of the names of these two boats which have been commissioned by Rajnath Singh? ICGS Sachet, NI Besant, Amrit Kaur, Varaha. So the answer is ICGS Sachet. ICGS means Indian Coast Guard ship and it was named as Sachet. Next question, in which city landing craft utility ship INLCU L57 has been commissioned into Indian Navy? Options are Mumbai, Kochi, Port Blair, Visakhapatnam. So the answer for this question is Port Blair. With which bank Government of India signed a loan agreement for a US $145 million to improve irrigation services and flood management in West Bengal? So which of these financial organization made an agreement with West Bengal to improve irrigation services? First option NDB, second option AIB, third option ECB, fourth one World Bank. So the answer is AIB. Next question, which bank has approved $1 billion accelerating India's COVID-19 social protection response program to support India? So another bank that approved $1 billion for social protection response program to support India during this COVID-19 pandemic. Options are AIB, World Bank, NDB, IMF. Answer is B, World Bank. So World Bank has approved $1 billion. Who launched GOAL, GOAL, Going Online as Leaders program for digital skilling of tribal youth across India in partnership with Facebook? Prahlad Joshi, Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi, Dharmendra Pradhan, Arjun Munda. So answer is Arjun Munda. Which state government has launched two schemes? Snehar Porush is for migrant laborers and Prochesta is for workers in unorganized sectors. You should remember these two, Snehar Porush and Prochesta. Options are Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal, Telangana, Kerala. Answer is West Bengal. Which day is observed as International Day of Light? 16th May, 15th May, 12th May, 11th May. Answer is B, 15th May. What is the name of World Trade Organization chief who has decided to resign? Christian Lagarde, Kelvin Dushinsky, Roberto Azevedo, David Malpass. So the answer is Roberto Azevedo. He has decided to resign. Who participated in the 32nd Commonwealth Health Ministers meeting through video conference? Manush L. Mandaviya, Hardeep Singh Puri, Jitendra Singh, Harshvardhan. So Harshvardhan participated. Who has announced Atmanirbhar Gujarat Sahay Yojana for small shopkeepers? Vijay Rupani, Narendra Modi, Ramnath Kovind, Amit Shah. So Vijay Rupani is the CM of Gujarat. He has announced Atmanirbhar Gujarat Sahay Yojana. So which country has become the first nation in Europe to declare an official end to the COVID-19 pandemic? Austria, Slovenia, Sweden, Belgium. Slovenia is the answer. It has declared an official end to COVID-19. Which country will host the 2020 FIFA Under-17 Women's World Cup in 2021? India, China, Qatar, Indonesia. Answer is A, India. Again, which country will host the FIFA Under-20 Women's World Cup in 2021? Costa Rica, Panama, Indonesia, and options A and B. So both Costa Rica and Panama, they host FIFA Under-20 Women's World Cup. This World Cup is under 20 and this one is under 17. Which country has named a street after Rabindranath Tagore as a tribute on his 159th birthday? Israel, USA, UAE, China. So Israel named a street after Rabindranath Tagore. Which portal has been launched by Union Ministry of MSME? Micro, small, medium scale enterprises. Nirman, Yukti, Stranded in India, Champions. So Champions is a portal launched by MSME. Which international airport has won this year Skytrax Award for Best Regional Airport in India and Central Asia? So Indira Gandhi International Airport, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, Kempagoda Airport, Rajiv Gandhi International Airport. So Skytrax Award is given for Kempagoda Airport of Bangalore. Which state's Sohrai Kovar painting has been given the GI tag? J&K, Jammu and Kashmir, Jharkhand, Tamil Nadu, Kerala. So Sohrai Kovar painting is related to Jharkhand state. Again, which state's Telia Rumal has been given the geographical indication tag? Telangana, Jharkhand, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala. So Telangana is a state that manufactures Telia Rumal, handcraft. What is the rank of India in World Economic Forum Global Energy Transition Index? 74, 142, 112, 78. India's rank is 74th. Before it was 76. Now it is 74th. And 142 is the rank of World Press Freedom Index. It is the rank of India. Who has been appointed the new chairman of Central Board of Secondary Education? UB Pravin Rao, Ajay Mahajan, Manisha Singh, Manoj Ahuja. Ajay Mahajan is been appointed as CBSE chairman. Who is the author of Finding Freedom, Harry and Meghan and the Making of Modern Royal Family? Caroline Duran, Gregory Margulis, Helen Furstenberg, Tony Lewis. Answer is Caroline Duran. He is the author of Finding Freedom. Which state launched a portal Hope aimed at creating employment avenues for the trained youth? Mizoram, Himachal Pradesh, Tripura, Uttarakhand. So Hope is a portal launched by the state of Uttarakhand. I will make another video of complete books and authors from January to April. Which state government has relaunched the ambitious Sambhal Yojana? Assam, Odisha, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh has relaunched this Sambhal Yojana. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of Archaeological Survey of India? J. Arun Kumar, V. Vidyavati, Raghuram Rajan, Sanjay Agarwal. So V. Vidyavati has been appointed as Archaeological Survey of India Director General. Which state would host the 2021 Men's National Hockey Championship? Maharashtra, Odisha, Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir. Men's National Hockey Championship of 2021 will be hosted by the state Maharashtra. Which country has developed I Feel You bracelet for social distancing? Italy, South Africa, New Zealand, Bangladesh. So Italy country has been developed this bracelet. Which state government in collaboration with Doordarshan has started online classes and educational programs for school children? Jharkhand, Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh. Karnataka has been collaborated with Doordarshan. Which state government has launched country's first ever FIR Aapke Dwar Yojana in Bhopal? Bihar, Jammu and Kashmir, Mizoram, Madhya Pradesh. Answer is D. Madhya Pradesh. Who has developed automated UV systems, Defense Research Ultraviolet Sanitizer, DRUVS? Defense Research Ultraviolet Sanitizer to sanitize electronic gadgets, papers. ISRO, DRDO, ICMR, CSIR. DRDO. Which company has launched Arogya Sanjeevani Health Insurance Policy? SBI General Insurance, Jio, Google, Facebook. So SBI General Insurance has launched this scheme. Government of India has started Mission Sagar to provide assistance to Eastern Indian Ocean region nations. So which of the countries is not part of this Mission Sagar? Maldives, Comoros, Oman, Mauritius. So Comoros is not part of Mission Sagar. Which day is observed as International Nurses Day? 12th May, 10th May, 5th May and 7th May. 12th May has been observed as International Nurses Day. I will make another video on complete days and themes of the month May. Modi's Investor Service projected India's growth at dash for the current fiscal year 2020-21. 0%, 1.1%, 0.8%, 2%. So they projected India's growth at 0.0%. So with which company ICMR announced a research collaboration to develop a COVID-19 vaccine? Bharat Biotech, Geo, Facebook, Silver Lake Partners. So ICMR has been partnered with Bharat Biotech to develop a vaccine for COVID-19. Which city has launched the Pranavayu program to create awareness on need to self-examine respiratory health? Pune, Bengaluru, Leh, Delhi. So Pranavayu program has been launched by the city Bengaluru. Next one, Article 23 of Indian Constitution provides right to free education, prohibition of employment of children in factories, prohibition of forced labor, right to constitutional remedies. So Article 23 is related to the prohibition of forced labor. Friends, these are the top current affairs of this week. If you find my video useful, please subscribe to my channel Yuvataram Education. You can follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more exam related updates. Thank you and please subscribe to our channel.